Electric bikes are the hot new thing in the cycling industry. Almost every bike manufacturer is working on a model to drive sales. One of the coolest categories of e-bikes is folding e-bikes. These bikes are designed to be ridden like regular bikes and then easily folded up to store in a small space. Portable foldable electric bikes are just the right fit for users who are looking for a lightweight, compact option for transportation on the go. The best folding e-bikes are lauded for their design, functionality, and robustness. They are perfect for commuting and getting around town. Adventurous souls also use them to get out on adventures on maintained roads. There is a lot of buzz around folding electric bikes, but they are a largely untapped market. We've done a lot of research on the best folding electric bikes and have come up with our top 5 picks. This video will show you the best foldable electric bikes for sale in 2023. Wallke H6. Our first product of the day is Wallke H6. This high-quality bike folds up very compact in seconds, allowing you to take it with you on the train, in a car trunk, or on a plane. If you want to go for a day trip, to the beach, or even ride around your neighborhood, this will get you there in a very comfortable and enjoyable fashion that you will not want to get off. The Wallke H6 has 2 separate 48-volt 1680 watt-hour Samsung batteries that tune the acceleration and help you go farther than other e-bikes. Its high-end Samsung batteries will take up to 170 miles before you need to plug it in to recharge. The unique Wallke H6 adjustable suspension fork and twin rear suspension is a feature that most e-bikes don't include, and it truly makes a massive difference while riding. The rear suspension is beneficial because it helps smooth out the road's bumps. Wallke H6 electric folding bike is convenient, comfortable, and easy to use with a 750-watt brushless gear hub motor that offers a top speed of 32 miles per hour and climbing angles of 30+ degrees. You can choose from 8 gears to comfortably power you up the hills or have a little fun cruising the flats. The throttle is ergonomically positioned for your hands. The Wallke H6 electric bike is equipped with a 180mm hydraulic disc brake system that provides stopping power even when the bike is being ridden in difficult terrain. The nearly unique feature of the Wallke H6 is 20x4-inch Kenda tires that allow you to ride more efficiently on rough terrain. E-bikes help to reduce the amount of strain and pressure on your body, but they don't eliminate it. The Wallke H6 frame is made of aluminum, so it is feather light and designed with a long wheelbase to improve handling. The full-color Smart LCD with a USB charging port helps the rider to enhance the riding experience. The bike also comes with an LED rear light with a brake light function. As soon as the bike is powered on, the rear light will automatically be illuminated. The ultimate electric folding bike for every journey, with a price tag of $2,499. Bezior XF200. Our next product of the day is Bezior XF200. Bezior XF200 is a foldable and portable electric mountain bike with a price tag of $1,499. You can put this foldable e-bike into the car's trunk or elevator and store and place it at home without occupying space. It is a unique bike that you can use to explore more places. Nothing can stop you from reaching your destination, no matter how far away it is. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame makes the mountain bike portable and easy to carry, a perfect electric bike for adults. The mountain bike can carry up to 200 kilobytes load capacity, which is ideal for adults to ride. The motor is 1,000-watt high-speed brushless motor, which gives you amplified torque and improved energy efficiency conversion rate, perfect for a smoother and easier uphill drive. Most importantly, this trolley allows you to climb hills and 35-degree slopes easily. This electric bike is equipped with a 48-volt power supply 18,650 lithium battery pack hidden within the frame that is waterproof and dustproof. The power charge is protected by waterproof, anti-dust, and anti-explosion protection. The pure electric mode can reach 50 km, while power-assisted mode can reach 130 km. It has 20x4-inch tires on each wheel. This electric fat tire bike allows you to travel effortlessly and smoothly across all terrains, including hills and rough roads. It has a hydraulic disc brake for the front and rear for better stopping. The double oil spring shock absorber's front fork and the rear shock absorber can make the bike run smoothly on a bumpy road or muddy patches. The Smart LCD shows you information, including current speed and riding distance, in an easy-to-see way. It is the best choice to go out and explore the adventure or travel in the city. Magicycle Jaguarundi. Our next product of the day is Magicycle Jaguarundi. Magicycle Jaguarundi is a step-through fat tire electric bike. It is a high-quality e-bike that provides various riding options for any terrain and weather. It is a powerful, beautifully designed, TIG-welded, custom aluminum frame that is both lightweight and strong. Magicycle Jaguarundi is an all-terrain e-bike with a 52-volt lithium battery built to handle the variety of terrains and slopes you'll encounter on the trails or down mountains. It has an impressive range of 30 to 55 miles per charge. It also comes with a 3.0 ampere fast, smart charger that can charge up in less than 2 hours. It is equipped with a 600-watt brushless gear motor. The Jaguarundi provides a power boost of 750 watts peak power when you need it the most. It boasts an 80 Nm torque motor for lightning-quick acceleration. It easily handles a variety of terrain with its air-filled tire system with Kenda 20-inch by 4.0-inch tires. This bicycle has a Shimano 7-speed gear shift system that gives you a more efficient and smooth ride. This bicycle has a suspension fork that offers a comfortable and smooth ride. The braking system is hydraulic disc brakes that give you precise and easy braking. Its LCD with USB charging is a handy feature if you are on your way to work and need to recharge your phone. The LCD lets you notice your battery life and current speed, distance, and time. It also comes with a 6-volt LED light that keeps you safe and visible to others. The Jaguarundi is built for people who are looking for something a bit different from traditional bicycles. Heybike Ranger. Our next product of the day is Heybike Ranger. Heybike Ranger is the world's most practical foldable, step-through and fat tire e-bike with a price tag of $1,399. It's very easy to carry around, making it perfect for city commuters with limited home space. This folding e-bike is more versatile than your average electric bike and is the perfect companion for anyone who lives an active lifestyle and wants to explore the great outdoors. It has a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, so even inexperienced cyclists can easily range up to 40 to 55 miles on a charge. The battery is lockable, removable, and charges in 5 to 6 hours. It's easy to adjust the seat and handlebars for optimal comfort, and the LCD with Bluetooth lets you know how much battery power is left, the speed, and all the other important information. With a range of up to 25 miles per hour, this electric bike is ideal for work commutes, family days out, and longer trips. With a super efficient and powerful 500-watt brushless motor, the Ranger will surely add excitement to your life. It also has a 3-level pause mode to adjust your pedal assist to your fitness level. Heybike Ranger is the first ever folding electric bike with 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires. The 20 tires, made of high-density recycled rubber, are suitable for all terrains, including snow and sand. Heybike Ranger provides a sturdy rear rack for carrying all those essentials for a night out for the off-road adventurer. The Ranger's Shimano 7-speed gears make pedaling easier on hills or at low speeds. The front suspension makes for easier riding and improved shock absorption, allowing you to enjoy every minute on this amazing e-bike. You will never worry about riding in the dark again with a dual LED headlight. This bike is designed for a height range of 5.3 inches to 6.3 inches. For a fun, comfortable way to explore the great outdoors, the Heybike Ranger Balance Foldable e-bike is perfect for you. Jasion EB7. Our final product of the day is Jasion EB7. With a cheap price tag of $935 and a compact foldable design, the Jasion EB7 is a versatile and space-efficient electric bike great for commuters, cross-country adventurers, and a broad range of other riders. A portable frame allows you to easily fold the bike, store it in small spaces, and take it anywhere. With its 500-watt brushless gear motor, the Jasion EB7 can achieve a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a maximum load capacity of 300 pounds. The motor can provide a maximum torque of 45 to 50 Newton meters. The Jasion EB7 is one of the lightest electric fat tire bikes on the market, weighing a mere 27 kilograms. The bike is easy to assemble and is powered by a 48-volt removable lithium-ion battery. This electric bike boasts a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge and can cover 45 miles on pedal assist mode. You can fully charge the battery within 4 to 5 hours. It offers a double shock absorption system for a smooth ride, fenders for rainy days, and you can even carry your belongings with the rear rack. A mechanical disc brake is guaranteed to help you stop on a dime. With a rear LED headlight, the EB7 is ready for nighttime riding. The LCD makes it easy to see your speed and battery charge. With its 7-speed Shimano gear shifter, the EB7 allows you to change gears with your thumb while pedaling effortlessly. It can easily conquer any terrain with its high-quality, heavy-duty fat tires that are 20-inch by 3-inch in size. The Jasion EB7 is built to get the most bang for your buck. The Jasion EB7 is a super affordable commuter bike. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Check them out. Foldable or folding electric bikes are becoming more popular these days, and many people have realized the value they offer. Here is a quick guide to help you choose the best foldable electric bike for your needs. We hope this video helps you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, do like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.